Okay, to start off with, go to designkit.org, and once the site opens up, just to go through the basic layout of the site, we've got some mindsets of designers, methods and case studies. So mindset, there's a few little videos that you can go through about how designers work, so the philosophy behind their approach to critical problem solving and what you think and how it can directly relate to the effect that you have on innovation and impactful solutions. So for example, Tim Brown talks about learn from failure. David Kelly talks about creative confidence. There's discussions on empathy, optimism, embracing ambiguity, and also iterating. So it's worthwhile for you to go through and have a look at mindsets. The next key or main page would be methods, so looking at the practical methods and repeatable approaches that designers use to come up with innovative solutions, and step-by-step guide. And then the last main page would be case studies. So here's some inspiring stories of innovations just to show the impact of how human-centered design can get real results. And so the clean team, so in-house toilets, looking at the development of early childhood, Money Thinking Mobile, so coming up with a digital technology tool to build financial literacy. There's just a few examples.